Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete a review you've written on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see your username displayed. Hover your mouse over it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, go ahead and click on Profile. This will take you to your personal Steam profile page where you can manage various aspects of your account. Now, once you're on your profile page, look over to the right panel. You'll notice several sections and options listed there. Click on the one that says Reviews. This section shows all the reviews you've posted for games in your library, making it easy to manage or edit them whenever you need to. From the list of reviews that appears, find and click on the specific review you want to delete. This will open up the detailed view of that particular review, giving you access to more options and information about it. With the review now open, navigate back to the right panel. You'll see a button labeled Store Page. Click on it to be redirected to the game's official store page on Steam. This is where all user reviews for that game are displayed, and it's also where you'll find the option to manage your own review. Once the store page loads, scroll down until you reach the review section. This is typically located below the game's description and media. Right beside the review section, you'll notice an option that says View Your Review. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up the full version of your posted review along with additional management options. In the right panel of your review, you'll see a Delete button. Click on it to initiate the deletion process. This button is specifically designed to remove your review from the game's page permanently. A confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen asking you to confirm that you want to delete your review. This is Steam's way of making sure you don't accidentally remove a review you want to keep. Click OK to proceed with the deletion, and just like that, your review will be removed from the game's store page. And that's it, you've successfully deleted your review on Steam. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.